Hi there, I'm Jen with BendPak, and as anyone knows who deals with low-profile vehicles, it can be a constant source of concern factoring in ground clearance. But rest assured, because when it comes to loading your vehicle safely on a 4-post lift, BendPak has you covered. And in this accessory spotlight video, we'll take a closer look at the 48-inch extended aluminum approach ramp. These attractive, lightweight, diamond plate finish, low-profile approach ramps are an absolute must for loading low ground clearance vehicles onto BendPak HD7 and HD9 series 4-post lifts. The aluminum ramps have the same impressive dimensions as our extended steel approach ramps, a 48-inch length and an 18-inch width. Yet the aluminum ramps are significantly lighter in weight, coming in at just 16 pounds each. Wow! And the accessory kit comes complete with a pair of low-profile aluminum ramps, quick mount brackets, which allow for fast and easy installation and removal of the ramps, plus all the necessary hardware to get you up and running. And the diamond plate finish looks spectacular. Now you can find out more information on these fantastic ramps by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And to check out the best automotive lifts and shop equipment in the business, head over to BendPak.com.